Hello everybody, welcome back to another session of Ria's Kitchen. Today we will be preparing a snack that everyone likes, and it's all time in a party starter, and it is very easy to prepare, and the name is, you all know, cheese balls. It is really very quick and easy snack, so without wasting time, let's start. So here I have taken some cheese, and into it I will add one medium-sized onion chopped, some coriander leaves chopped, 2 grated green chillis, you can use chopped also, and a little bit of salt. Remember not to add more salt because the cheese itself is salty. Here I have used processed cheese, and we will mix it all together. Okay, so I've mixed the cheese with all the ingredients, and it has become a quite smooth mixture, and now it's time to form the balls. So here I've taken the bread, and here is some water. I'll just dip the bread into the water, not for long, just dip it once and squeeze off all the water. You can see, just like this, with the help of your palms. Okay, and now I will add just take some of the cheese mix, and just with the help of your palm make it in the shape of a ball and add in the middle of the bread, and now form a ball like structure, wrapping it up. After wrapping, you can also press it gently so that if there is any extra water left, it will go away. Likewise, prepare all the balls, and then we will deep fry them. So all the cheese balls have been prepared now, and now we will just deep fry it. So I have heated oil in a pan, and now I am going to fry those balls. In a low flame, I will be adding all the balls, and I will fry till they are golden brown. So you saw the cheese balls. It was really very easy to prepare, and the preparation time was very less. So do try it in your home, and if you like the video, do hit the like button, share it with the friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you want to get any recipe, and I'll upload it for you. So till my next recipe, bye bye, see you again.